Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. So here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and then tap on it. So I'll pick Turkish. Your device will ask you if you really want to change the language, so just tap on OK to confirm. Now we can go back, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Tap on the language, find the language you'd like to apply and confirm it with alright, or okay actually. Let's go back, and again we've got English set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.